Welcome to the statistics section of the analysis tab for hEDGE. So as we did in the first analysis video and also in the chain video, and if you haven't seen those, just check out our YouTube page or our website. We're still looking at Microsoft and we still have that strangle position on. Also, as before, this slider still controls date. So if I slide it all the way to the left, that's today's date when I'm recording this, October 29th. And if we slide it all the way to the right, that's November 26th, which represents the expiration date of the position that we're analyzing. Now, this chart is what is called a cumulative distribution chart, and it has profit or loss on the x-axis, that's these numbers here, and it has percent chance of making at least that amount on the y-axis. And so if I line the x-axis here close to 0, let's say 98 cents, that's pretty close to 0, the cumulative percent tells me 66%. Now that means that on November 12th, which is the date that's being analyzed here, my percentage chance, try and get it close to 0 again, of making at least 97 cents on this position is 66%. So my chance of essentially being profitable, of making 97 cents or more is 66%. I can slide it further to the right here and see that again on November 12th, my percent chance of making at least $240 is about 47%. Now for negative numbers, this gets a little bit trickier to read, but it's still pretty simple. Try to get to a nice round number here, like 90%, right? This means that on November 12th, my chance of making at least negative $741 is 90%, which in more English terms means my chance of losing less than $741 or being profitable is 90%. Now you can flip that on its head and say my chance of losing more than $741 is that 100% minus 90%, or 10%. Right? So I have a 10% chance of losing more than $741 and a 90% chance of losing less than $741 or becoming profitable. And again, I can slide this left or right all the way out at expiration. Obviously, you have the highest chance of realizing your maximum profit. But you also have a higher chance of losing larger amounts of money. So this is a really good visual way of representing your trade-off between risk and reward for holding options positions to expiration. The data for this chart is created by utilizing the Black-Scholes model in combination with what's called a Monte Carlo simulation. Essentially, we use the current implied volatility from all of the options in your strategy to run thousands of simulations on our server, and this is a visualization of that result. And it's a visualization that I've never seen before, at least not quite in this format. But once you learn to use this chart, I think it's a really useful tool to have in your options trading tool chest. Well, that's about it for statistics. And as always, you can find tutorials for all the other features of our app, either on our website or our YouTube page. And thanks for watching.